Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can pin actions and emotes so it's easier for you guys to press. So go to the emote section and you're just going to select the one that you want to pin so you don't have to like scroll all the way down to get it. I think I want to pin the Better Bear stickers that I have. I want to pin this one. So like click on it for a few seconds, select collect, and it's going to go up there so you are able to pin it like here, as you can see. Same for the action. I want to, for instance, pin this dance. I'm just going to press on it and select the collect button and it's going to go up. I don't know how many you can add and pin, so you just have to try it for yourself. Also, another thing I would like to mention, if you hold the like emote button, you can actually press the actions from here. So that is how you can do it a little bit quicker than having to press C and going to the solo action. You can just press on it, like hold it, and it's going to be here and you're just going to hover on the action that you want. But yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!